Hi, my name's Mel. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be going for a ride to go and check out some of the beautiful local area and in particular a waterfall. So come along. I hope you enjoy the ride and enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks. Here we are coming into the track that's going to take us down to Millstream Falls. I believe this is what they call Little Millstream Falls. Right, so here we are coming in on the track that's going to come down to the waterfalls down here. I haven't been here before, so I'm really excited. Whoa, it's a bit thin. Oh my goodness, there it is. Wow. Okay, this is going to be awesome. But first, let's focus on what we're doing coming down hill. Okay. Steep down, definitely. This is getting relatively steep. I'm glad we've got e-bikes to get ourselves back up. Nice and steady. Oh, some rocks. Whoop, bump, bump. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're just feathering the brakes. I'm sitting, oh, a few more rocks. Okay, cool. Yeah, keeping my weight sort of back so that I don't get too much. Whoa, okay. Tight, a bit bumpy. All right, we're going okay. Okay, a few more rocks here. Gosh, probably wouldn't take too much to go over that side. Can you hear the waterfall? Oh wow, it's just there. Okay. So this is the first of several waterfalls that are around in the area that we live up here in North Queensland that we'll be showing you further on in this series of videos. So this is called Little Millstream Falls, and further upstream there's another one that's called Millstream Falls, and it's larger, and we'll be showing you that one in a later video. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Right, so here we are. We're just going to now walk down to the base of the area, down to the waterhole, and just need to be careful down these steps. So down here is a waterhole that a lot of the locals here on the tablelands come to swim at. It's quite beautiful, it's large, it's clean. Well, thank you everyone for joining us. It's been awesome to come and see some things just beautiful in our backyard. We haven't even come to see them until we've had the e-bikes. So go out and grab a bike, guys. It's the best way to even see the things that are not that far from home. Anyway, thanks. I hope you've enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time.